Asha Negi, you've seen in the television serial Pavitra Rishta, and you've loved her as winner of Nach Baliye. Asha Negi. Amruta Khanvelkar acts in Hindi and Marathi films and has established herself as one of Marathi cinema's leading actresses and an accomplished dancer. She is featured in Nach Baliye. Bharat Dabolkar is the man behind the utterly Amul Holdings, the director of 32 blockbuster theatre productions, including Bottoms Up. He has also acted in Hindi, Telugu and Marathi films. Raghav Sachar, a brilliant singer, composer and multi-instrumentalist. This truly versatile and phenomenal musician can play 33 different instruments. Suresh Pai is a producer of Marathi blockbuster Classmates. He is a co-producer with Balaji Telefilms Marathi Vertical and produces the first Marathi film to be shot in 3 countries in Europe. One-way ticket. Suresh Pai. Shikhar Oberoi is a former top professional tennis player for India, winning a silver medal for India at the Asian Games. Today, she's a sole entrepreneur of India.com, India. Shikhar Oberoi. Amruta Patki. She Femina Miss India Earth 2006 and India's representative to the Miss Earth 2006 pageant. She is today a hobby and amateur pilot. Amruta Patki. Smita Gondkar, this wine connoisseur and actor, is popular as Paru in the Marathi film industry with 15 movies and 4 more releases to follow. She has also represented Maharashtra in kayaking, is a stunt biker and finalist of Stunt Mania on MTV and is qualified for the Apollo flight of the Hawks, the first woman to do so. Smita Gondkar. Ravi Mittal, a young entrepreneur from the world of information technology. She was awarded the prize for Knowledge Portal of the World. Recently, she launched Campaign Digital Dubai. Sai Deodhar. She has worked in popular television soap operas. She appeared in her first role as a child artist in 1993 in the Marathi movie Laptap. Shivani Kashyap, singer, composer, live performer and social activist. She's well known for Sajna Abhija and has also composed the anthem I'm Woman, I'm a Girl. Shivani Kashyap. Komal Unamani. She is the proprietor of Neck Brand, producer of Robin Hood Ke Pote, and of the Marathi movie One Way Ticket. Komal Unamani. Barbies Dorachi. She's a model who made her television debut with the serial Pyar Ki Ek Kahani, for which she won the award for the Best Supporting Actor in 2011. Leena Mogre. She is a pioneer of fitness education in India, the first woman personal trainer, and now the director of the chain of fitness studios, Leena Mogre Fitness. Leena Mogre. Rohit Verma is a well-known designer who has featured as himself in Madhur Bhandarkar's blockbuster movie, Fashion. Neha Mahajan. Neha Mahajan is a master's in philosophy from the University of Pune, a sitarist and an actress, having done international and regional cinema. She is the daughter and disciple of Pandit Vidur Mahajan and is pursuing a passion for cinema and music simultaneously. Neha Mahajan. Suleiman Merchant. He's been composing music for over a decade and has scored for movies, won awards like the Mirchi Music Award, the Filmfare Award, and many, many more. Suleiman Merchant. On the ramp, Sejal Mahadevia, model and actor who has shared screen space with Kareena Kapoor in the Malava Diamond Jewelry TVC. She has won several titles, walked the ramp. Akriti Kakkar. She is a singing sensation. Such super hits like Iski Uski from the film Two States, Saturday Saturday from Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania, and a recent single Kolkata Diaries dedicated to her Bengali fans. Akriti Kakkar.
Good evening, everybody. I feel so privileged, so honored to be here on this stage this evening and find this opportunity to talk to you about something that's very close to my heart, a song which is called Amma, and we released it on the occasion of Children's Day. This goes out to all the Ammas, all the Ammis, all the mothers that there are, not just here, but everywhere across the world. ये एक जो रिश्ता होता है वो इतना स्पेशल होता है. दिस काइंड ऑफ लव इज सो प्योर, इट्स सो डिवाइन. इस तरह का प्यार और किसी भी रिलेशनशिप से ना हमें मिल सकता है और ना ही उसे कंपेयर किया जा सकता है. थिंग्स दैट आवर मदर्स डू फॉर अस, आई थिंक अगर हम लिस्ट बनाएंगे तो ख़त्म ही नहीं होगी. वी विल बी सिटिंग हियर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट अंटिल ब्रेकफास्ट. एंड आई थॉट ऑफ मेकिंग अ सॉन्ग ऑन दिस वन. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई हैव composed and written a song, and We've released it just yesterday. उसका वीडियो हम आपको दिखाएंगे. लेकिन this one goes out to each and every special woman who will someday become a mother or is a mother right now. इसके वीडियो के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहूँगी before we play it for you all. Because the song is so special, we thought that the video also needs to be extremely special. It's directed by my very dear friend Chirag Arora, if he's somewhere here. And it features some of my most favorite and your favorite, my friends from the fraternity. People like Shan, who shares a beautiful moment with his mother in the video. Raghav Sachar, again with his mother, Archana Pania. Anusha Mani, Abhijit Sawant, my little sister Sukriti and Prakriti and me will also be seen in the video. And also, why I chose this very occasion to air the video for all of you all is because I know of Manali as not just a friend and a fabulous designer, but as a person who is very, very close to her mother. And she too features in the video. And I'd like everybody here to put together a big round of applause for all the ammas and the love that they constantly keep giving us. So here's presenting Amma. I hope you all like it. Thank you. Wishing everybody a very happy Children's Day.
Iris Maiti. This supermodel is now making waves in Big Boss Bangla and in a number of television serials. Iris Maiti. Sudhanshu Pandey, a supermodel and Bollywood actor. He debuted in Bollywood in 2000 and he has also been a part of that pop group Band of Boys. Sudhanshu Pandey. Shonali Nagrani, a former Miss India and Miss India International first runner-up. She made her name and fame as a cricket and television host of IPL Season 1. She has also hosted sports programs in the UK and featured in Big Boss Season 5. Shonali Nagrani. Madhura Naik, the face of the international band Bombay Mercier. She is known for a show Pyar Ki Ek Kahani Tumhari and she also runs the NGO Soch Foundation. Madhura Naik. Arman Kohli, son of film director Rajkumar Kohli and actress Nishi. He debuted as Lili Rodi and was a contestant in Big Boss Season 7. Nahid Cyrus is an